Obviously, the markets are a little bit bracing for potential for some kind of a slowdown. The job front's been something you could just plug in, good numbers every month. What are you feeling out there? What are clients suggesting to you about the pace of hiring?
The heads of HR, the CFOs, the CEOs are saying they're hiring, and they're going to continue to hire. And the interesting thing is, it used to be tied more to the stock market. And with the constant volatility that exists now due to the administration and what comes off on Twitter, and people are thinking job hiring hasn't been tied to that as much. Companies are going to hire no matter what.
And is that because of the mindset of labor scarcity that has set in? I mean, essentially that they've had to, during this cycle, focus a lot more on keeping the people they have. And
there's 100% supply and demand, right? If there's a scarcity, people want more of it. However, we're still in this phase of globalization, and whether it's the trade tariffs with China, the existing relationship we've always had with India, and outsourcing of companies, as those wages increase overseas, it's going to be more competitive to hire people in America. And with the tariffs, I think you're just seeing more of that, and companies are bullish.
Well, we have seen on the manufacturing side a little softness in terms of the official numbers. Does that bear itself out in what you're seeing?
We haven't seen, manufacturing is better than it has been. It hasn't been great in this country for a long time. That can't be where we set all of our hopes on. So I think that people are looking for a reason to say things are going to get bad. This economy, from a jobs perspective, is still fantastic.
Where do you see the most upside potential?
Oh, really across the board. We're still seeing it in professional services. We're coming into the summer months, which means service and hospitality will increase due to the travel. We're seeing college graduates come out, so we're going to see a lot of entry-level hiring, sales, healthcare, technology, and back office positions still are robust hiring. So when you have human resources, operations, supply chain still going high on the back end, that means companies are going to continue to hire.
So when we hear that the CapEx numbers, capital expenditures, are down, is that because companies aren't investing in plants? They're still investing in people, but not plants? Or
well, I think you see certain things, like IBM laid off some people this morning, right? You're going to see that on the bigger companies' scale, that they're not going to spend as much in capital. But simultaneously, where do we always say that new job growth comes from? Small and medium-sized companies. So as that happens on the big companies, it gives more opportunity for startups and medium-sized companies to make inroads.
So you got an official estimate for today?
You want one? I'll tell you, it'd probably be about 120,000.
Okay.
But it really doesn't make a difference because they're going to reset it next month, and we'll see where we are. June or July and August are going to be really good numbers. I'm confident of that.